Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your LG Velvet, for the first you have to open the notification bar. Right now you have to click on the Bluetooth icon and then click and hold it. And here we are in the Bluetooth settings, and on the second smartphone you have to do the same, click and then click and hold. And right now here we got my smartphone Huawei P30 Pro, so just click on it, accept pair, and here also accept. And as you can see right now our Velvet is in the pair devices. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!